I was telling Joe the other day, and he agreed. He had the same thing down there. We went to go, or I did. I went to go buy a coil from Carrier or ICP, whoever it was, and the whole air handler was like $910, and the coil alone was $1,100. So I think he did similar to what I did. I just bought the whole air handler, slid the coil out, slid the new one in, gave him the blower as well as a bonus. Just charged him for a coil. Couldn't charge him for the whole unit, but just to give him the warranty, I did change the doors and put the doors in, a new serial number and registered it for them without really saying anything. But, they weren't paying for the whole unit. If they had paid for the whole unit, I would have had to swap the whole unit. So I just charged them enough for the coil replacement. It was out of warranty. So I charged them enough for the coil replacement to buy the whole unit. Just done a little part swapping, and they're in good shape. They have an old wiring harness and an old set of heat strips. But they have a new blower assembly and a new coil and drain pan assembly.
Well, that's an interesting thing right there.
Well,
that's
I did it without Joe's guidance, and then I found out that Joe did the same thing.
Yeah, we just have to find out I have to find out if the new units are gonna still let us do that or not. Plus, Carrier and ICP are stupid. They send you the coil. It's like build your own coil with the old coil parts that are all rusted and corroded away.
What is the deal with that? Why would they do that?
It didn't even have the
baffle plate thing. Yeah,
it was total build your own out of a slab, 2 slabs.
Yeah, and it's rusted completely apart. Mm-hmm. The parts that they say you can still use this from the factory. They're saying like that.
Understand what coils look like.
Yeah, you start unscrewing like a 5/16 screw, and the piece of metal that it was attached to breaks in half and starts spinning with it like a little flag. It's like easily used.
And cuts Joe's finger.
Yeah, then you have tetanus, and you have to go to the hospital. Is Carrier going to pay for that? No, sir. They will not. And they won't return your phone calls either.